In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio from Loom. This process will help you extract audio from your Loom videos easily. It is a straightforward method that involves a few key steps. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Loom. You can use any search engine you like, such as Google or Bing. As you type in Loom, you will see several links appear in the search results. This is the first step in accessing your Loom content. It is essential to choose the right link from the search results. This ensures you are directed to the official Loom website where your videos are stored. Next, click on the correct link to access the Loom website. Be cautious here and look for the official Loom site, which usually has a recognizable logo and a secure URL. This step is important because using the wrong link could lead to a phishing site. Once you click on the link, you will be taken to the Loom homepage where you can log into your account. Now, log into your Loom account. Enter your email and password in the designated fields. If you've forgotten your password, Loom provides an option to reset it. Logging in gives you access to all your Loom videos. This is a crucial step as it ensures you are working with your own content, which is needed for the next steps in the process. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. From there, open your Loom library. This is where all your recorded videos are stored. You will see a list of your videos displayed on the screen. Take a moment to browse through your library and find the video from which you want to extract audio. Opening your Loom library is important because it organizes your videos and makes it easy to select the one you need. Next up, click on the video you want to extract audio from. This action will take you to the video's specific page. Here you can preview the video and access various options related to it. Clicking on the video is a simple yet critical action as it allows you to access the sharing options required for the next steps. After that, click the Share button and select Copy Link. The Share button is usually located near the video player. When you click it, a menu will pop up showing you the option to copy the link. This step is vital because you need this link to extract the audio. By copying the link, you ensure that you have the correct URL to work with in the next steps. With the link copied, open an online tool like the Clippy Loom to MP3 extractor. You can do this by searching for the extractor tool in your browser. Once you find the tool, paste the copied Loom link into the designated area on the website. This step is essential as it connects your Loom video to the online extractor, allowing you to convert the video's audio to an MP3 file. Now click Convert and download the resulting MP3 file. After you paste the link, the tool will process it. This may take a moment, so be patient. Once the conversion is complete, you will see a download button. Clicking this button will save the MP3 file to your device. This step is significant as it allows you to have the audio accessible for various uses, such as editing or sharing. By following these steps, you will successfully download audio from Loom videos. This whole process is efficient and user-friendly. You can now enjoy your audio files without any hassle. Thank you for watching.